What's up, YouTube? This is the crypto space, and today I'm going to be talking about why I think Ethereum is still extremely undervalued, even though it just broke all-time highs. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. So let's start off with some news. So this week we saw the Berlin hard fork being launched on the Ethereum network. This hard fork went live on the 12,244 block. And this is an upgrade to the Ethereum blockchain, which mainly focuses on reducing the high gas fees that people have been complaining about for a couple of months and quite a while now. And the Ethereum team has been constantly working and pushing out upgrades lately, but yeah, Ethereum is now, actively pushing to fix its issues that have been publicly pointed out. Of course, people have been paying fees of up and above $100, $150 per transaction. Those are insanely high fees. And of course, the average investor is not trying to pay $150 to send their Ethereum from the exchange to their wallet. So looking at these, the Berlin upgrade, the London upgrade, that is going to be huge upgrades to the Ethereum network to make it more scalable. Well, not scalable, to make it more feasible for the fee structure to reduce the gas fees. So these are amazing developments happening right now in Ethereum. So the next upgrade that's going to be happening soon is going to be the London hard fork, which is basically another upgrade to the Ethereum network, which is the EIP 1559, that aims at again reducing the gas fees through another. So what this means is, instead of the user sending the gas fee to the miner for the transaction to be added to the blockchain, the network would set the fee itself and then burn the token. So there have been concerns from miners that this would diminish their profits, but this also, on the flip side, it has a lot of potential to increase the value of Ethereum. Apart from the network upgrades, we are also seeing some more institutional interest in Ethereum this week. On April 20th, which was 2 days ago, Purpose, the investment firm from Canada, just launched its first ETH-backed ETF. So this ETF is now backed by physical ether and is now available to investors to invest in through the Toronto Stock Exchange. Now again, this is some big news because Purpose has $1.4 billion in assets under management, and they will directly invest in physically settled ether, not just derivatives. So that means every dollar you put into Ethereum through Purpose is backed by a dollar in Ethereum. This is completely different from buying options and calls and derivatives, because now you are actually holding spot tokens. So again, this is some huge news for the Ethereum bulls out there. Apart from Purpose, which was big news, we are also seeing the Rothschild investment buying $4.7 million stake in the Grayscale Ethereum Trust. Now, Rothschild are among the first name brand institutional asset managers to seek exposure through Ethereum. They are doing this through Grayscale because obviously Grayscale is one of the biggest crypto exposure funds. As you can see, the Rothschild investment has now added $4.7 million of exposure to Ethereum, and they have also added 1.9 million exposure to Bitcoin. So this is extremely bullish for news for Ethereum this week. So again, this is some big news from huge investors into Ethereum. Now, if you look at the CME futures open interest and volume, this week we hit another all-time high. We have seen a huge influx of open interest and volume on Ethereum derivatives. We are also seeing the Ethereum this quarter settle $1.5 trillion in transactions, and this is only quarter one of 2021. This has literally gone 3x from the last quarter in 2020. So again, Ethereum has been absolutely killing it. But and if you take a look at coin market cap today, like it is literally a bloodbath. Like almost everything is down and everything is in the red, except for Ethereum. Ethereum is up 6%, and that is only against the dollar. If you look at Ethereum, on the BTC chart, like Ethereum has been on a massive push up. We pushed past the last resistance level, and we are now pushing past an all-time high. So let's take a quick look at the charts and why I think it is easily possible for Ethereum to break past 6,000 and 7,000 and 8,000. Right now I just showed you the fundamentals in the news and why there is so much institutional interest in Ethereum. Especially with ETH 2.0 coming in soon, I feel Ethereum is still extremely undervalued. So let's take a quick look at the charts and go through some levels. So if you see the last highs we made on the BTC chart were 100% away, well 85% from here, 167% from here, and also 280% from here. So what does this mean? If Ethereum goes back to 0.17 sats, that basically puts us at 0.17 into 55,000 BTC. That was weird. 55, 1, 2, 3. That puts us at 9,000. That can easily happen. Ethereum can, if the Ethereum developer community promises to deliver, because if you look at Ethereum, since the 2017 bull run, it has not moved at all. It has been the most lagging coin in a while. But in the past, obviously, with all this development, we are seeing some huge moves. If I scroll down here, and you can see we have been in a constant uptrend. Like back in 2020, the start of 2020, since then we have been in a constant uptrend. We've broken out of this downtrend, we have broken out of this downtrend, obviously, and now we are in a Ethereum bull market. Obviously on a USD chart, Ethereum is putting in higher highs every day, and we are pushing in again at all-time highs. 2,500 is going to come very easily, and again after that, when we start breaking highs, that is when Ethereum is going to just pop off. But taking a look at a couple of support resistance levels, let me just go through it real quick. So we have our weekly levels of resistance that Ethereum has just done an SR flip on, and the next levels we are coming in at 0.05 BTC, 0.07 BTC, 0.08. So these are going to be my key levels that I want to be watching. And apart from this, also we have fib levels. So you see recently we bounced off the 618, and we are now pushing up again at all-time highs on the BTC chart. So this is an extremely bullish week for Ethereum, and I don't think you should be sleeping on it. Of course, this is not financial advice, but I think Ethereum has all the reasons to just pop off, because if you remember the last 2017 bull run, after BTC stabilized, that's when Ethereum went off. Like it literally went to the moon, but hopefully we can see that this year as well. I have put my bullish case. We are seeing a lot of interest. We are seeing a huge amount of development again for Ethereum in the tech field. And as long as DeFi and NFTs and all of the technology that is based on the Ethereum blockchain is active, and when we keep seeing more and more settlements this year, Ethereum has the chance to easily 3x from here. 6,000 Ethereum is not far-fetched, and an $8,000 Ethereum is not far-fetched at all, especially with more institutional interest in it. This is going to be the talk of the town, especially when Ethereum right now is the only thing on CMC in a sea of red that is holding up, especially when BTC keeps tanking basically every day. BTC has been in a constant and downrun, but Ethereum rises because the BTC chart is going up. So this shows that this month we have seen a lot of interest in buying and holding Ethereum. Obviously these are higher time frame levels, and right now we have done another SR flip on a daily chart. So this is possibly a good entry for you if you missed out on the Ethereum bag and you're trying to get in. Yeah, obviously not financial advice, but yeah. So hopefully you guys like that video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I post videos every day. This was just a quick overview of Ethereum and what is happening right now. If you want to see more videos and fundamentals and taking a deep look into the insights and charts, well, not just charts, I look at more of what is happening and what's happening in the community and the crypto space. But if you want to see more from me, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment down below if you want to see me review some more coins and tech. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.